So hello guys, this is Yashwanth here and I'm back with another video, and this time it's a small trade breakdown which I took in DALBHARAT, and it is also called as DALBHARAT, and it is a cement company. And before getting into the breakdown, let me show you the entry, and this was my entry. It was around 1905 and my stop was at 1899, and this is how the trade went on to be. It was a beautiful 1:73 trade, and 1:73 in the sense you risk one part of your capital to get 73 parts of the same thing. And so as you see, this is the trade, and let me just put it in replay mode to make it much easier to make you all understand. So in the beginning I was seeing what kind of a trend it is in using the weekly time frame, and this is the weekly time frame, and let me clear out everything. So this is the weekly time frame, and let me just play it. So this is how it turned down to be, and it's just making a new higher high and a higher low. Basically, let me just mark it with the path tool, and this is the trend. So this is what I was expecting DALBHARAT to do, and okay, so I see that this is the final sell before you buy candle before this huge up move started, right? So let me clear it and make it red. So this is the weekly time frame demand zone. I've marked it in this red color, and this is also the area of interest, or the area which I would like to buy few assets of the stock. And let me get down to the 1 hour and 15 minutes time frame, and as you see that the stock was like in a nice downtrend until here. It became sideways over here. This is what we want to see the stock doing, and let me just play it again. So you see that there was a huge manipulation of this demand zone, and the price is starting to pull back, and I was considering this range over here. Let me remove the red color so it's easier for you to notice. So this is the trading range. I see that it made a new low, taking all the lows, and basically this is called as a liquidity trap, and liquidity is a new, like a complete different topic which I will try making a new video on. And at this point I was on the 15 minutes time frame, and I just wanted to see a break of structure on the upside and make a new high. So it's like confirmed that the trend has changed, so, and it tend to happen. So yes, so this was the break of structure which I was looking for, and now I'm ready to enter the stock, but where will I enter is the question. So I see that there is no imbalances over here. There is a tiny little imbalance in these areas. So this area where there is no wick is an imbalance. It is again a new a different topic which I will make a video on, and this is the imbalance which I was looking for the stock to cover. And I was in the 5 minutes time frame, and I see this huge can you see this huge sell before you buy candle before this big up move started. This was the sell before you buy candle which I was looking to enter on, and this is also called as the order block or a demand zone or whatsoever. So this is the area which I was looking to enter with, and before that I was also looking at these lows over here. So you know that below these lows there is always liquidity. So I was just waiting for the stock to react at these areas on the lower time frames, and as you see, there was a straight pullback to this area. And wait a minute. So this is called a liquidity trap. The institutions know that your stop losses are right below these lows, and people will start buying at these areas, and so they tend to sell it and then buy it. That's why your stops are out at these areas. And I was just waiting for all the traps to get over, and once I saw the price come back, take all liquidities. Let me just mark it with that. Liquidity taken. Okay. Liquidity is taken in these areas. Now the stock is good to go, and it is ready to start trending on the upside direction. And after this huge small up move, I know that the trend has changed. So my entry personally was at 1905.1 or something, and my stop was at one below all these lows. Basically it was at 1899, and I had given a lenient stops for other people, which was at 1896 or something. It's just the risk to reward changing. So this was personally my stop loss, and as you can see, it's like 1898.5. It's somewhere around that area. And my target was on the weekly basis, and after your execution, you just need to sit back and be patient and just let your trade run and do its thing, because I always go for big aras, and it went on pretty good. So this 2350 was my target, which I achieved in which I tend to achieve in like 2 weeks, which is really great. Just 2 trades a week will make it done for you, and if the month is really good, it will tend to give you more entries and you can execute more, and just be patient for your trades to play out well. So let me just play it for you guys to see how it went on. And once my entry was taken, I was positioned in such a way that the stock is just moving higher and higher. And also as the price is moving higher and higher, you go down to lower time frames to see and learn if the stock is accumulating or distributing, to make a better understanding of the market. So I see that it was always making higher highs. It was another accumulation over here, tried to take liquidity below these, and it was in a nice uptrend basically. So the stock just started trending from here, making higher highs, higher lows, and this was what happened in the stock. And the video is very late because from the previous video, because I was just waiting to close all my positions from this stock. And so yeah, this was my 1:73 hour trade. 73, yeah, exactly 73 hour trade. And hope you guys got some knowledge out of this video and helped you change your perspectives. And it's up to you as traders to risk properly and to get your profits properly. And there are people who just take entries at these areas and keep their stops below these, which is actually a 1:3 trade. And I don't like to take small risk to rewards, so I like to time it properly and make the best out of the move possible. And yeah, so this is it, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. And you can comment down below if you have any doubts or queries or any doubts. And do check out my Instagram, and I'm posting all my intraday entries and all of that in my Instagram. And do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, and see you. Bye bye.